The MYMAZDA app allows you to precondition the inside temperature of your vehicle. You can set the climate controls to warm the interior and defrost the screens in winter. Or you can adjust the temperature so it's nice and cool after a shopping trip in summer. You will reach the climate control screen by swiping left from the home screen. On the climate control screen, long press the fan to access the climate and defrost settings. Set the desired temperature and defrost options and press Send. You get a confirmation, and the air conditioner in the car is switched on. Remote climate control runs for a maximum of 30 minutes. We recommend using it when the car is charging. Otherwise, the energy in the battery will be used, resulting in a shorter range. To turn off the heating or cooling, navigate to the climate control screen and press the climate control stop icon. If you want to precondition your car regularly, for example, every day before you drive to work, you can use the climate control timer. Navigate to the EV settings and select Climate Control Timer. Select a preset. Select your departure time. Choose the days you want the car preconditioned. Adjust the temperature, and then press Save. Now your Mazda will provide a comfortable interior temperature for the set departure time. But keep in mind that both the remote climate control through the app and the climate control timer will only work if the power is switched off. Whatever the weather, enjoy the preconditioning functions of your vehicle.